And today I'm going to present one of the quick wins we did for desktop. It's adding an option for the user to specify a default download location, which is always on initial install set to the downloads folder. And if I choose to change it, for example, I want to put it in the Mattermost folder, I would set that, and the options are saved. And then I'll go to my channel, and I want to download this little image of this cute little thing. Well, cute for some people. And now it points to Mattermost. And of course, the prompt says, I should have showed you this, but the dialog also says, save to your preferred download location. And now it's set there.